Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Evidence matters here, and this one is quick. Find the feature unique to eukaryotes, not the basic cell parts shared across almost all life. Start with what makes eukaryotes distinct. Membrane-bound organelles like nuclei and mitochondria are defining eukaryotic structures, so that feature points to a shared ancestor separate from prokaryotes. That matters because inherited complex structures are strong evolutionary evidence. If every eukaryote has membrane-bound organelles, that shared trait supports common ancestry within eukaryotes and separation from prokaryotes. In contrast, plasma membranes, DNA, and ribosomes appear in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes, so those choices cannot distinguish the two groups. That locks option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing to shared cell parts. Rule, trust the defining feature given, and check which trait actually separates groups.